Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to share this problem. I will solve this problem and step by step. Let's go. This is registration and plugin and other option. Destination folder already existing. Content plugin element pro. This file already store my hostinger. I will remove this file and use this file. Let's go. This is a hostinger. This is my hostinger account and I will click and hit this. This is home and click and hit your website, showing your main domain, subdomain and other website. Click and hit dashboard. Click and hit file manager. Please wait now. Click and hit public HTML. Double click. Click and hit content. Click and hit plugin. Your wall plugin showing this. Please remove now your existing plugin and install now in this plugin. Solve this problem. If you understand this video, please share and like this video. Okay, brother and sister, have a good day.